Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. It's lovely to have you here. Welcome everybody to the show this morning. It's Friday, sell-off Friday. However, we are up at the moment. We've had a very, very good month. We've had a couple of bad days. Overall, we were down in the week, but we're back up again. But over the month, we're up. And we've had consecutive green days now, green Fridays now for nearly a month. So looking pretty promising. It's scary if you're in and out of the markets and selling and all the rest of it. But if you're holding and buying the dips, I've not been able to buy very much. It's getting less. My buy ratio is getting less and less and less because I'm only buying all-time lows, which means I am predicting, I am calling the bottom of my portfolio. It doesn't seem to let me buy anything any lower. Okay, so in my opinion, I've reached a bottom in my portfolio. In fact, that's not an opinion, that's a fact. I'm not able to buy any more shares because everything is set. Everything I want to own is set at a buy order, and nothing is buying. Yesterday I bought IonQ, but that was slightly different because it was so down already and I'd only recently entered it. But all the stuff I've owned for a while, I just can't get any stocks below my minimum price, which tells me my portfolio has bottomed. Right, let's get straight into it. Here we go. And here is my portfolio up 2.2. Now, you will notice, actually, I should be around nearly 46,000. I've removed my Bitcoin. I've taken my Bitcoin off my portfolio. It's gone. It's on my ledger. It's living there now. I gave you all a link yesterday. If you use my Amazon link to buy a ledger, I get a referral fee for sending you. It costs you nothing, and then I give you half of what I get back. I can see what you've got. You can tell me on the screen what you bought. I can check it with Amazon, and I can say, yeah, I got $5 here. I'll give you half of it back. So I recommend everyone do that. That's what I've just done. So let's subscribe and ring the bell because most of these exchanges are going to go under. They're one by one falling over, and they're all linked to each other. So there you go. Smash the like button and give me a thumbs up. Let's get everybody in liking the video. All right, there we go. So that's why my portfolio is the balance is a little bit lower today. It should be 45.8, 45.9. So anyway, that's how that is. Alrighty. Okay, let's get into it. Now then, it's cash prize giveaway. Every single Friday, we give away a cash prize, the money I make on the video. The more money I make, the more money I'll give. At the moment, it's only $10. In fact, I don't even make $10 on the video. I make about $1. But I give away $10 because that's where we start, right? In the future, it could be thousands, and I'd love to do that. Now then, I've got a new rule. If 10% or less of my readers of my newsletter enter the draw, only 10% or less, I open it up to everyone. So it encourages all of my newsletter readers to enter. I will tell you, only 9. That is way below 10%. Look at this. Only 9 people have entered it. So I'm going to open it up to my TikTokers this morning as well. All right, there it is. 9 people. Only 9 have watched it and left the comment. So I'm going to make that a new rule, right? It's exclusive to my newsletter readers. So you have got the best chance of winning. But if you don't enter it, below 10% of my readers, I'm going to open it up to the public because that's daft. Only 9 people have entered it. So there you go. All you got to do is watch the video and leave the comment CPI and then like it, and only 9 have done it. So anyway, there we go. And the reason why I want to open it up, because I want to make more money on the videos so I can give bigger prizes. If nobody wants the prizes, I'm going to make it even more. And I'm going to invite more people to do it. So if you're over there on TikTok and you want to be in my free prize draw, I'm doing it very, very shortly. And you can be in it. Come to YouTube. I'll give you the link. It's a 2-minute video. And there you go. Right? So it'll only be my newsletter readers, so nobody else will be able to enter it. But if it goes below 10%, then I open it up. So today we're opening it up. All right? So There you go. You had a chance and you didn't do it. I can't believe you could buy Meta for under $100. I know. I've been buying Meta 87. This is my position. This is my position, Rob. It's insane. It's a popularity contest. That's what the stock market is half the time. Here's Meta. I'm down 1.94. Remember, I was already in. It's not like I bought all my shares at 87. If I was out, different ball game. But I was in. I was in at 200 and 250, and it came down, and I bought at 100. I bought at 150, and I bought 120, 110. So that's why my average is 115. But I'm down very, very slightly. But yeah, you can see my last buy order was look, I bought it. I'll share with you. I bought one at 91, one at 90, one at 89. And now I've got it set, I think, for 87, because my strategy is just pay less. Look, there you go, 87. Doesn't matter what I paid before. I'm only interested in getting it cheaper and cheaper and cheaper, because all the time I'm building the foundations and making my portfolio more and more robust, more and more secure, more and more likely, mathematically, statistically, to go up without any stress, drama. And that's it. It doesn't matter if Meta today goes down to 88. I won't buy any until it goes to 87. And that's it. And that's it. And I've got that set for every one of my stocks that I want to own. Every one. Every single one. Tesla today, I've got it set at 170. I've got it to buy one, but I'll probably buy two if it goes to 170. And the reason why is I've watched it now over the last few weeks, and it bounces off 180. It doesn't want to go lower. And right now, you know, if it was, if everything was all doom and gloom, it should keep going down, and it's not. It hits that 180, look, and just hovers around. Look, over 3 months, doesn't keep going down. It hovers around. No, I'm not saying it can't go down, and that's why I've got an order for 170. However, because it's been going sideways, it's given me more confidence to maybe buy 2, 3, 4 at 170. And Rob, your share that you bought, that you donated to me, I still own. Still own. Never sold it. All right. Anyway, good morning, everyone. Very, very quiet on TikTok this morning. No idea why that is. 12 messages. What's all that about? Oh, I've got to scroll down. There we go. Wonder what that was about. Ed Nevius. Ed Nevius has tried to put a link in. Unfortunately, you can't put links in on YouTube. They don't actually allow you. I mean, you've done it, you've texted it in, but it's not an actual link. No one can click on it. You at TikTok don't allow that, but I thank you very much for doing it. I don't know if is anyone actually able to copy that and use that? It'd be good if they could, but I don't think they can. That's why I tell everybody, youtube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor. Links in the profile, just up here. Just come up there and you'll find the YouTube link or the All Links button. Either way, there you go. I'm live on both of those links. Anyway, let's get ready. Is it 4 shares now? Is it 4 shares now? What do you mean? I can't believe... is it 4 shares now? What do you mean, Rob? Is it 4 shares now? What do you mean? Do you mean the split? The forward split? It was a forward split of 3-1, not 4, if that's what you're getting at. Right, okay. Now then, so, because... Have we got anybody in anybody in YouTube chat that's come over from TikTok? Have we got anybody then? So I'm going to open up the competition to everybody this morning, because we've got less than 10% of my newsreaders entered it. So that's the rules. That's the rules. So here it is. Win cash prize. Whoops. Win cash prize. I'm going to give everyone the link. Here it is. I can't believe only 10 people entered it. All right. Here's the win the cash prize video. You've got to leave the comment on... Oh, I better put this. Leave comment... If you want to actually have a chance to win, CPI and like. Okay, there you go. Leave comment CPI and like the video. If you want to be in the video to win, hang on, I'm about to do that. To win, cash prize, watch, hang on, here it is. Watch all, only two mins. Watch all, only 2 mins. Leave a comment CPI and like the video. There you go. So here we go. Because it's gone below 10% of my newsletter readers, they've not entered it, so I'm going to open it up. Okay, there you go. There is the competition. All right, let's see how many people have watched it now then. Let's go back to it. And let's have a little look. There was 9. There is now 10. There's now 10. So when I start the show in the morning, if it's below 10%, I will open it up to everybody. All right. If you are a newsletter reader, I won't open it up if it's above 10%, and it will be exclusive. But you've not watched it, so there you go. I have an interview in 50 minutes. I'm on both. Drone Art, you have an interview in for 50 minutes. For what? What are you doing in 50 minutes? I have interview in 50 minutes. Good luck if it's for a job. Oh, sorry, thought it would. No, it's 3 to 1. It's 3 to 1, Rob. That's all right, mate. He goes, oh, sorry. No, don't worry about that. Here he is, our friend with a little yellow helmet. Here he is, Drone Art Aerial Services. Love it. Welcome. Here he is. I have an interview. Well, good luck. A manager. Well, I wish you very, very good luck. I hope you get the job. We're very, very... We'll hope for you, mate. So that means Tesla is down now over 50% from all-time highs. What a bargain. I think so. It's mainly because of Elon Musk. And Kathy Wood says soon all shares of Tesla will be gone. There'll be nothing left. And what they mean by that, there's always shares available because people always have a price. What it means is when they say there's no shares left, that means no one's selling. That means the price starts to go up. At some point, there's always shares available. All right? That's what it means. If nobody would sell today for today's price, the price would go up. That's how it works. The price is where it is because people are prepared to sell it for where it is. That's what puts the price up. That's how the stock market works. Anyway, hello, mate. What about us? Us, the US 500 today. You mean the S&P 500? Yeah, it's up. I'm up. Oh, hang on. Yes, I'm up today. That's a bit weird. I'm up today overall 2%, and I'm up 0.87 today on VU. If you want the S&P 500, you either access it. Well, there's about 10 different ways you can access it. You can't just buy the S&P 500. You can buy it through an ETF like VU or SPY. Most people buy SPY because of the liquidity, but it's more expensive. But if you want to trade, that is the way to do it. If you, however, a long-term holder, I prefer VU. But to be honest, unless you're spending millions of dollars, you'll never notice a difference. Makes no difference at all. Good morning, Queen. How's your teeth this morning? Wisdom teeth this morning. How are you? How are you? All right, we just started the show. We've got our cash giveaway this morning. We've opened it up to the public, general public, because my newsletter readers fell below 10%. Hardly anyone entered this week, only 9. So I've opened it up to everyone. So everyone on TikTok can win if they want to. Nappyhead TV. How are you? One of my Luca Badge owners. How are you? All my Luca Badge owners, by the way, are my subscribers. So can you see Nappyhead TV? He's got a little badge, right? He's one of my subscribers, which means I promote his channel. I make videos to promote him, see him. If you go and click on him, I want to help all my subscribers. Today, it's cash giveaway day. See Nappyhead TV? Let's get him some more followers. We love to help people. We want to get all our followers up to as many followers as me. I have nearly 31,000 right now. So Nappyhead TV, go and click follow on Nappyhead TV. I want Nappyhead to come back in a minute and say, I just got more followers. So Nappyhead, look at how many followers you've got right now, and I want to get you more followers today. You're one of my subscribers, and I want to promote your channel. So Nappyhead TV, right, he's one of my subscribers, so I want to help him get more followers. See that there? Click on his link there and follow him. There you go. And I'm sure he'll follow you back. All right, brilliant. We want to get him up to as many followers as I've got. All right, okay. Is Tesla quite heavily shorted stock? Any chance of a short squeeze? Is there some massive earnings soon? Yes, the next earnings is going to be great, because the only downside to Tesla was the China lockdown, and that wasn't really that much impact, but next quarter is going to be fantastic. I'm really confident in that. I believe that the main reason why Tesla is down is Elon Musk sold so many million shares. I forgot the exact number, but he sold a huge amount of Tesla shares, and that's what brought the price down to buy Twitter. And then he started alluding that Twitter could go bankrupt. Well, Twitter have a cash run rate of a couple of years, so they're not going bankrupt. I think he did it to smooth out why he's firing everybody. So that's why Tesla is down, and the fear of he might need more shares because of Twitter. So quite honestly, I've lost faith in Elon Musk. Elon Musk is a great creator and inventor and entrepreneur. In fact, no, scrub entrepreneur. Entrepreneur is as a business acumen. He's very good at inventing great products and selling them, but not so good at being an honest financial guy anymore. He lied. And I'm sorry, because I really liked Elon Musk, but I not so much anymore. He lied. He said he would never sell more shares of Tesla to buy Twitter, and he went and did it anyway. So he has every right to sell his shares, of course, in Tesla. He owns them. It's a public company. He can do what he likes. But when you say you're not going to do something and then you do, and the thing is, he couldn't come on and tell everybody he was going to do it, because that would be market manipulation. He couldn't do that. Everybody would sell out and it would create chaos. So he couldn't have done that. However, he did lie. So I've lost respect for Elon Musk now. I trust everyone 100% until they lie to me. When they lie to me, that's it. All right, so he lied, and that's it. So I don't like that. So I invest in Tesla, not Elon Musk. Partly I was investing in Elon Musk, but I don't do that anymore now. Tesla is dragging my portfolio down. Buy more to lower average. Yes, absolutely. I've been buying it. I've now got 46 shares of Tesla. I've been lowering my average sensibly, though. Not just jumping in. I'm 19% down now. That doesn't mean to say I now spend $8,000, which is what it would cost to make myself 10% down. Because if I double my amount, I half my average, right? So if I spend $8,500 now, I will be down about 10% rather than 19. However, that wouldn't be responsible and balanced on my portfolio, so I'm not doing that. What I am doing, however, is buying it when it goes to all-time lows. I've been buying it at 180, 181, 182, and I've got to buy it 170. And now, because it's going sideways, it doesn't want to go lower, I might buy several at 170. I might even buy several at 175. It's just got to go lower. It's discipline, it's structure. It prevents me from getting FOMO and fear and stress and worries, and never overpaying for anything, never worrying about it. Because remember, at the end of the day, Tesla, pound for pound, no matter how good it is in the future, it is expensive. Pound for pound, it's not good value right now. You are overpaying for the stock, but you are buying the future price, and that's okay. That's okay. But you just got to remember your balance of your portfolio and not get carried away. Tesla doesn't need him anymore. It's true. It's probably true, actually. Elon's a bit of a loose cannon, in my opinion. Don't think Tesla, the company, needs him, but the Tesla stock price probably does need him to stay. I don't know how many shares he's got left. Anyway, Martin, I had to stop my membership due to cash flow, but I should be renewing it in December. Thank you for answering my questions anyway. I understood that, Rob. I understood that. If we've got long-standing members and then for some reason they're not a member, I don't ignore them straight off the bat. That wouldn't be right. I always focus on my members, but it's like my sponsorship. There were a couple of sponsors that hit hard times, but I left them on the homepage of the channel for a couple of months. I don't just delete you the moment you don't pay your bill. We're friends, we're family, and we support each other. Of course, for the integrity of the show, I have to, eventually that will change, but I have to give you some grace. Flippin' heck, mate. You've been one of our number one fans and supporters for our channel for the longest time. I'm not going to just throw you throw you in the bin after 5 minutes, mate. No way. He still owns like 20%. Okay. Thank you, Arnold. He has been he's been promoting profit for so long and has been prioritizing Twitter over Tesla, and is already failing with Twitter. I agree. I mean, why on earth would you care about Twitter when you own Tesla? You've invented one of the greatest companies of our time, and you're spending your time worrying about tweets. I mean, who cares anyway? I mean, Twitter's rubbish. I mean, I've got a Twitter account, but I don't see any point to it. I think it's rubbish. Right, user 752 has just become my top viewer. We've got a bit of a competition going on here right now. User 75, thank you for the flowers and the roses. That's very, very kind of you. Thank you very much indeed. That's wonderful. Thank you so much. Thank you very much indeed. If you become a subscriber during my show, not only will I promote your channel during the live show and get everyone to follow you, I'll make a commercial video for you at the end, put your channel on here and make a video, record it, edit it, post it to my channel and invite my 30,000 followers to follow you. I do that and I follow you back as well. I only ever follow my members and my subscribers because I can engage in them all. I spend 10 hours a day working in my studio helping people. I don't follow and engage with everyone. I only follow and engage with my members on YouTube and my subscribers on TikTok. That way they all get my time. From an ethical standpoint, I don't like that Twitter sell carbon credits. It basically undoes all the positive environmental impact they were having. Yeah. Thank you for that information, Rob. I'm not into that. I don't like that either. Oh, Tesla. You mean Tesla? Okay, you're right. Tesla, not Twitter. Okay, that makes sense. Rob Remnant, welcome to my world. Yeah, the Queen of Self-Braiding is also struggling right now. We're a financial channel. We're here to help people. We're here to help people. We're not here. Oh, hang on, my camera's frozen. Look at that. Oh, we're getting issues. We're getting static. We're getting static issues today. Apologise, we're getting static issues here. It's getting very, very cold, and we're getting static. Let me see if I can bring that camera back in. We are having some camera issues this morning. Just bear with me. Look, we are having camera issues. It's a static. I don't know how to prevent this. I'm wearing my static band, but it doesn't. Oh, there we go. There we go. It's come back in again now. There we go. There you go. I'm wearing my static band, but obviously that's not having an effect. We've got extreme static issues here. So it's time to take off the shoes and socks, get some more contact to the ground. Unfortunately, that's the way it is. Deactivate, reactivate Camlink. All you can do is unplug it and plug it back in again. That's all you can actually do. When you say deactivate and reactivate Camlink, what do you mean by that? All I can do is unplug it. All I can do is unplug it. And I've got it right in front of me to unplug. And that's what I did. Is that what you mean by deactivate? Unplug and plug it back in again. Is that what you mean? Anyway, very, very staticky. I don't know why, but my studio is very, very vulnerable to static. Let me share with you. You use StreamYard, yes? No, I don't use StreamYard. I use Ecamm Live. StreamYard's okay, but I prefer. It's a free plan, isn't it? I think StreamYard is. This is Ecamm Live. It's far, far better. But in the properties, there should be deactivate option, then reactivate it. No, there's not. I don't know if there's that on Ecamm. But that would. I wonder if that would make it. I don't know, actually. Turn a camera on, turn it off. I've never tried that. I've tried just physically turning it on, unplugging it and plugging it back in. Did you watch any of the budget yesterday, Martin? No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Give me some headlines. Oh, not sure about Ecamm. I use OBS. Yeah. I tried OBS. OBS is okay, but obviously it's free for a reason. That's that's my belief. I mean, you might disagree with me. I don't know. It just resets the source. That's interesting. It resets the source. Anyway, stocks. Anyway, stocks. Right, that's enough. We've talked about it enough now. Move on. I like it. Right, okay, I've missed my commercial break. I can't believe this has happened. Too busy talking to Shad. I blame Shad. Shad, you owe me, how many are watching now? 21. You owe me 21 cents. I've missed an ad because of you. It's your fault. I blame you. Right, we're going to go to a quick commercial break. See you back in 10 seconds. All right, we're back. There we go. OBS is free because it's open source, just like Linux. Yeah. Open source. Hit the like. Okay, I'll go back out and back in a few minutes. That was good. Someone sussed that yesterday. That was brilliant. People were going, yeah, just go in and out. Just go in and out. You watch ads. It's brilliant. It's money and time. What's going on here? Have I got a couple of clowns on TikTok? What's someone saying? And investing into fortified currency markets now is bear market, a reasonably safe investment. Let's have a look. No, I can't see anything. Maybe there's something going on. Anyway, all right, let's get back to it. This is my actual portfolio. If that's the question you were asking, yeah, this is my real money, grown from $5,000 live on the show. This is my actual portfolio. Yes, if that's what you wanted to know. Anyway, let's get back to it. We got 35 minutes to go. Cash giveaway today in the show because the newsletter readers fell below 10% of the readership. I've opened it up to the public. If everyone who reads the newsletter enters, or above 10% enter, then I don't open it up to the public. But only below 10%. So here is the cash prize giveaway today. There it is in the chat. If you're on TikTok, come over now. I'm giving you the link for free. All you've got to do is watch a 2-minute video, leave the comment CPI, like it, watch it all the way through, 2 minutes, and you'll be in the draw. Cash prize draw coming up later on this morning. And there we go. Raising benefits by 10% in line with inflation, freezing income tax thresholds, and more people will be dragged into higher tax rates. Fuel duty increasing, capital gains allowances down. Okay, well, I mean, at the end of the day, I guess COVID's got to be paid for, right? Basically, higher taxes and trying to reduce national debt. It's responsible. It's what you got to do. But also doing some cost of living support for most vulnerable in society. Quite a balanced, boring budget, reminiscent of Gordon Brown. Well, we like boring budgets, I'm afraid. Boring budgets are good. Boring stocks are good. S&P 500, boring, makes money. We're not here for drama. We're here for fun and the family and all the fun we have. But we're here to make money. And financial sometimes is financialism, if that's a word. It's about sensibilism. There you go. I'm making up words here. It's about being sensible and doing the right thing. Anyway, we'll lose their subscription benefits soon. Oh yeah, Bill. Oh yeah, Bill. Bill will lose his subscription benefits soon. Is Bill here? Is Bill in the chat? I don't know. Bill got upset yesterday. Because I wouldn't give out my public address, which is a bit of a shame. He got a bit the hump. He said, I want to send you a Christmas present. I said, I'm sorry, I don't give out my address. So he got all upset and says, Martyn doesn't trust me anymore. Well, it's not don't trust anyone. I just don't give out my address. He didn't like it. Anyway, what can I say about that? So, right, let's get back to it. We've got half an hour to go. What's up? What's down? You might notice my portfolio is about $500 light because my Bitcoin has been removed onto my ledger. Bill's gone because you're ignoring him. I answer everyone's question. I do everything. We all know. I'm not going to say anything negative, but we all know the situation with Bill. Unfortunately, I can't just focus on one person all the time. All right. I love Bill, but there you go. Can I have... Right, you're banned. Bloody hell. Virgin Galactic is up 1.88 today. Looking good. Virgin Orbit said it would go down, and it has. And I'm waiting to buy it at 268. No matter how much good news you put around Virgin Orbit, it doesn't like going up. Just the way it works. Just the way it works. Tesla up today 1.24. Rivian. I'll see myself out. Arrival popped up this morning, gone back down again. Right, let's sort these likes out then. Let's go over to the main show. No, we're all right, actually. 100%. Everyone who's watching's liked, so we're good. I'll come back to that if I need to revisit it. But right now, we're good. Everyone's behaving themselves, so we're good. We're good. There we go. Just straightened you up a little bit on TikTok. Is that better? Is that better? I've straightened you up a little bit. All right, good stuff. Would you consider doing P.O. Box so we can send you stuff without you giving or an Amazon wish list? That's very kind. Well, we had a vote yesterday, and it was like 70-80% said yeah, get a P.O. Box. People wanted to send me gifts for Christmas, which I was like amazed. I don't know what it costs. I don't know what it costs to have a P.O. Box. I thought it was about $20 a month, and I thought, I don't need it. Why am I spending $20 a month? I'll look into it. Look, I'm putting it on my list. P.O. Box. There you go. I have a Lambo garage wish list. If anyone wished to buy me anything from it. Morning, family. Hey, Dronart, what you got to do is you got to build a family. You got to build a community, mate. You got to build a community. If you want Christmas gifts, you got to build a community. I'm just telling you. Right, Dronart Aerial Services. There he goes. He wants a Lamborghini. Is Jamie still alive? I don't know. If he's not, yeah, P.O. Box is good. I also use Amazon Wishlist. There you go. There you go. I don't need anything. I just need you guys, honestly, to be fair. Anyway, I think Amazon Wishlist is free. Amazon Wishlist is free, so you can select things you'd like, and then, yeah, but you still need the address, yeah, or start an OnlyFans. Yeah, if I start OnlyFans, I'll get very weird stuff through the post, and I don't want that. Anyway, so Robinhood's up today 1.58. McDonald's is up 0.22. Looking good today. Is it a sell-off Friday? Shall we do a poll? Shall we do a poll here today? Start a poll. Start a poll. Okay, so the poll's going to be: will we have a sell-off? We've not had one for 3 weeks. We've not had one for 3 weeks. This will be the 4th week in a row. Will we have a sell-off Friday? Yes or no? Bearing in mind, we've not had a sell-off Friday now for 3 weeks. This should be the 4th week in a row. Green. I'm up 2.25 right now. So there you go. Will we have a sell-off Friday? What do you reckon? It's in the poll right now. I'll be interested to see what you think about that. Amazon would have your address, but not the people buying the items. Amazon would have your address, but not the... Is that right? Is that right? So how would I share... That's a good idea. That's a good idea. That's a good idea. That's a really... Isn't that a cool idea? Is that right? If I go into Amazon and share my wish list, people can buy each other gifts for Christmas without having your address. They just put... That's bloody good, isn't it? Your wish list. Let's have a little look. Create a... Right. Create a list. I'm going to do it. Shopping list. Right. I'll call it Martyn Lucas Investor. Right. Martyn... I never heard of this. I never heard of this. This is very good. Use list to save items for later. All those are private unless you share them with others. Okay, create a list. Right. Create list. Right. Okay. There are no items in your list. Right. So let me go and put something in my wish list. Let's see what happens. You create a list, make them public. I've never heard of this. Hang on, your orders. I'll do it in a bit. I've got to concentrate on you. But that's interesting. I kind of like that. That's interesting, isn't it? Anyway. Yeah, I'm getting sidetracked. I need to get off this. I'll focus on it in a bit. We'll try it this afternoon. One of my supporters bought me a free... Really? Bloody hell. Anyone want a Lambo? My Lambo choices. Dronart's going, sod Martyn bloody Lucas. I want a Lambo. Sod it. I've got a bloody thing. Right. Brilliant. We've got our cash prize giveaway this morning. It's free to enter, free for all. We've got 25 minutes to go. The portfolio is looking good. And we're having a good time. So if you've just tuned in today and you want to be in our free cash prize draw, just go into the chat and say, give me the link. I'm opening it up to the public. It's a 2-minute video. All you got to do is watch a 2-minute video. Leave a like, leave the comment, including the words CPI, like it, and you will be in the draw. The draw takes place in 1 hour and 10 minutes from now. Free to enter. I'm putting the link in the chat. Here it is. Here is the video. Only 10 people have entered it. That's why I've opened it up to the public, because if below 10% of our newsletter readers don't enter it, then I open it up to the public. So there you go. All right. Okay. So then we've got 30 watching and 17 likes. Let's open up the likes. We need 30 likes. If you want to be in the free cash prize draw right now, smash the like button. We're getting ready for the close. We are up 2.2. 60% say no sell-off Friday. That'll be 4 weeks in a row. All right, smash the like. We're up to 18 likes now. 18 likes. Let me share with you on the screen so you can see what I'm talking about. Here we go. Right, here we go. 18 likes now. Look, there's 25 watching. We need 25, at least 25 likes. You want to be in the draw? You want to be part of the show? You want the stocks to go up? Smash the like. We're at 18 right now. Chicky, 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 pow, pow. Said chicky, 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 pow, pow. With the real Satoshi. Stand up, say please stand up. We're up to 18 likes. Need to get to 20 likes at least. What's going on? Smash the like button. And there we go. Didn't quite do it. So if you didn't like the video, you won't be in the draw. Oh, no. There you go. 18. 30 people watching. Only 18 likes. Right, who wants to be in our free cash prize draw? Look, 18 likes. Unbelievable. Right, this is how many people are in the draw right now. Just 10. Shall we update it? 5 plus 7, 2 is 7, and blah, blah. You know what I'm saying? Right, there are 10 people in the draw. Look, 10. Let's update it. 13. 1 in 13 chance of winning the cash prize live on the show. Portfolio is pumping up. So we've got a question. Is this going to be a sell-off Friday? And we have 59% say no. It'll be the 4th week in a row if we don't have a sell-off Friday. Which, remember, why would you have a sell-off Friday anyway? Traders who don't invest, they're not really investors, they're just people that are day trading or whatever, they want to get out of the market. They want to get out of the market on Friday afternoon because in case there's bad news over the weekend, they don't want to be in the market on Monday. They'll look at it again. And day traders very often like to exit the market on a Friday. So very often you have a sell-off Friday. It does happen. But we've not had one for the last 3 weeks. This will be the 4th week in a row. My portfolio is up 2.29. So let's see if we get that today. All right. So we've got very, very quiet show today. Only 56 people have come through the show. Very quiet. We average about 200 by the end of the show. It is early, but it's an early show today because water aerobics obviously comes up to date. So I won't be here for very long. There we go. Gain another 2 subscribers. That's okay. Not too bad then, but a bit quiet. So what's making the money this afternoon? Let's have a look. Now, my Ethereum is only got $1 left. I've got no Ethereum left at the moment. I'm taking all my crypto off the exchanges because they're all going down the toilet. Bitcoin, I've taken my Bitcoin off the exchange. My average is 18,203. I want to make the point here, and I wonder if anybody could tell me, my average is 18,203 when all of my Bitcoin was on this exchange, Robinhood. So I only have $1.50 left on the exchange. If I went out now and bought, thank you for the subscription, Mike. If I bought, thank you, Leah. Mike, the coffee's here. The coffee's here, Mike. If I went out now and bought Bitcoin, would my average crash down a lot quicker than normal because I've only got $1.50? I'm thinking it would. So actually, that average wouldn't be very accurate, would it? That average wouldn't be accurate because I've removed $530 worth of Bitcoin, which is now sat safe on my ledger. And just remember, it isn't sat on my ledger. The keys are on my ledger. The crypto is just on the exchange, is still on the blockchain. The difference is Robinhood held the keys. Now I hold the keys. Your crypto never lives on your ledger or any wallet. It lives on the blockchain. Never goes anywhere. You don't have all this Bitcoin sat on your ledger. You only have the keys to access the blockchain. All right, just so we're all familiar with that. Up after Fed says we don't need unemployment to tame inflation. Churchy's here. We missed Churchy. Where's he been? Bill not running your vids on 18 different browsers is going to harm your views. Probably. I hope Bill comes back. He gets upset so easy, doesn't he? He gets upset. He was upset because I wouldn't give out my my address, but we might have found a way to do it. Rob Brennan has said you can share a Amazon Amazon gift list, whatever it called. What is it called? Amazon something list, gift list, or whatever it's called, and your friends can get you gifts without having your address. I think that's amazing. That's amazing. And you earn cash back as well if you use my Amazon link. That goes round and round and round. This is getting better and better by the minute. Up day after Fed says we don't need unemployment to tame inflation. Up after Fed says we don't need unemployment to tame inflation. Look at Christmas Day to load up on crypto, Martin. Stay away for now. Christmas Day? Why Christmas Day? Why Christmas Day? What's happening on Christmas Day? What's happening on Christmas Day? Right, let's have a sip of my coffee. You too can buy a mug like this. In the chat, in the chat, you can order your mug just like this. You too can be like me. Why would you want to? I'm thinking of having a members only Secret Santa. Oh, hey, we could have a lot of fun this year. Members only Secret Santa. Hey, how much fun could we have with this? I quite like that, church. Discord for more details. Sign here, walk this way, step this way. Church, I think it's more to do with a weak dollar due to Lagarde comments this morning. Weak dollar's good. Weak dollar's good, especially for Tesla and other companies that work abroad. It's good for Apple, selling phones around the world. The dollar got too strong. The FBI has warned about use of TikTok over privacy issues. Yes, we've heard about that. They might ban it. I hope they don't ban it because I earn about 13 cents a day on TikTok. 13 cents a day. And I quite like 13 cents a day. It adds up. I don't mind it. I'm okay with it. I wouldn't work all day on TikTok and do nothing else. It's why I multi-stream. But to be online at the same time, 13 cents, I mean, you know, I can buy a share of that. I can buy a share of Arrival every day for free. It's not a bad idea, is it? All right, anyway. Secret Santa. So anyway, no, we're not going to have a sell-off Friday. We've got 15 minutes to go, 30 watching. Right, we've got 21 likes. If you want to be in our free prize draw, we've got a free prize draw. I'm going to give everyone the chance to win it today because less than 10% of my newsletter readers took part, which means I'm now going to open it up public. Here is the video you need to watch. It's a 2-minute video. The cash prize will happen in 1 hour from now. There it is. All you got to do is watch it all the way through. Leave the comment CPI and like it, and you will be in the draw. All right? There you go. I'm opening up to the public. I've just checked. No, Bill's not in the stream. The first time. No, this is not the first time. He left before, didn't he? He got upset before and left for a couple of days. He unsubscribed and everything. Ugh. Anyway, yeah, I took mine off. Oh, good. Mark Corn. So look, this is what we're talking about. What Mark Corn's talking about. This is my ledger. I'll turn it on for you, and I'll share with you my private keys. All right. Would you like to see that? Does anybody want to see my private keys? All right. Anybody? Right. Here's my private key. Can I get out the camera? Here's my private key. It's called Ledger. Oh, the word's gone now. Damn it. It was supposed to be funny, but it's not funny anymore because it went away. All right. Okay, let me turn it off again. Power off. So it says power off. This is my actual, there you go. There is my actual my keys. If you copy and write that down, you can steal all my Bitcoin. So I just thought I'd share that with you. So what I've done is I've taken all my crypto off the exchanges because, in my opinion, I think they're all going down the toilet because the bull run and the run of free money is over. The crooks have been exposed. We now know what they were doing. It was kind of obvious anyway. It's why I never did DeFi. All this 14% you can earn on your Bitcoin. Where's the 14% coming from? Where it was coming from was they were using your Bitcoin to lend out to somebody else, who then was lending it out to somebody else, who was then lending it out to somebody else. Do you know what that is? It's a pyramid scheme. It's a Ponzi scheme, and it only works when everyone continues lending out your money, and everyone lends on everyone's lending, and it's a pack of cards. It all falls down when you pull the rug from the bottom, and that's what's happened. That's basically what's happened. So if you want your crypto to be worth something, take it off the exchanges, and you'll be fine. Remember, the blockchain isn't going anywhere. It's like the internet. Think of the blockchain as the internet. No one's turning off the internet. You can't turn off the internet. It's everyone collectively exists. The blockchain is the same. Your Bitcoin sits on the blockchain forever. It's there. It's not going anywhere. But if your exchange holds the keys and they disappear, your keys are gone. The money, the crypto is still there, but no one can access it. All right. Does Robinhood offer stock lending? Yes, it does. It does. If you're not in margin, it does. If you're in margin, you can't lend out your shares if they're on margin. Well, you could turn it off. Big power cut. I knew Mark Corn would come out with one of his ridiculously rubbish jokes. Mark Corn has a TikTok channel, by the way, which is full of very colourful jokes. You might enjoy it, or you might get. Don't watch it with your mum though. Don't watch it with your gran. You might upset her. Anyway, Martin, don't do that on YouTube. What? Share my? I wasn't gonna share. Did Churchy think I was gonna actually share my keys? I was joking, Churchy. Come on, church mate. I sold them. They will say you're cutthroating. They will say you're cutthroating from their super chats and ads. Church, what do you mean? Explain. Explain. They will say you're cutthroating from their super chats and ads. What's that? Does Robinhood offer stock lending? You turn it off. Yes, do you want to do rude humour? That's a polite way of saying it. It's rude humour. Yeah. Churchy, come back and explain what you mean. What are you apologising for? Right, we've got just 15 minutes to go before the bell goes. As Churchy pointed out, and I never even realised, and now I'm paying attention. This will be our 4th Green Friday, if it's green. Okay, we've had 3 in a row, and Churchy pointed that out a couple of weeks ago that we've had Green Fridays, and since then I've been like paying attention to that. So anyway. All right, okay, we've got just 10 minutes to go. Time for a very, very quick commercial break. See you back in 10 seconds from now. I'm giving everyone the chance to win the cash prize today because below 10% of my newsletter readers. Just because we love you, Martin. Hey! Woohoo! And Mark Korn just gave me a super chat. I love it. We need sound effects. We need sound effects for that. Let me sound effects. We need a cheer. Thank you, Mark Korn. Appreciate that very much indeed. Hey, that's my best tip today. Well, some YouTubers were suspended for sharing details about sending crypto to subscribers. Let me read this. Some YouTubers were suspended for sharing details about sending crypto to subscribers or from subscribers. Is that right? So they don't want you sharing out your... Okay. I'm not doing that anyway, so... Oh, I see. You thought I was going to share my wallet on the screen. Oh, I now understand. Yeah, don't do that. Okay. Makes sense. Did you get more ad revenue if viewers watch the videos rather than skip them? Yes, I do. Yeah, YouTubers earn more money if you watch the videos. Hello, says Jason Fallon. Jason Fallon. How are you, Jason Fallon? Right, who is going to be our very first gold badge owner? It would have been Bill, but I think he's left. It could be Paul B. If you've got a yellow badge now, it will turn gold after 1 year. We are literally coming up to December. In December was the day I got monetized, when some of you became members for the first time. So your badge will turn gold when it becomes 1 year old. So any day now, you will have a gold badge. So keep looking out for that. But you can send us money anytime you want. All right, Queen, I've got it. I can send you money anytime I want. I've got that. Mine is January, I think. Who's going to be the first person? Yeah, I just leave them running. Let's see, Shad's nice. Shad's nice. Leave them running. Yeah, Ad leaves them running. Chad leaves them running. Right, okay. We're coming up to the bell. Let's get ready. Now, I've given everyone the chance today to win the cash prize. Let's have a look how many are entered it. The reason why I'm doing this, it is exclusive to newsletter readers, but if less than 10% enter of our readership, I open it up. Fair? It's fair, isn't it? You've got the chance to own the cash prize draw. But if you don't enter it, I open it up. So here we go. How many people are in now? There are 18 now. 18 of you. Okay. Here is the cash prize draw if you want to enter. All right. To win the cash prize, watch it all. Only 2 minutes. Leave a comment, CPI, and like the video. There is the video link in the chat right now, and we'll do it in 45 minutes from now. Okay. All right. And I won't open it up to the public. So you are subscribing to the newsletter for a reason. You get all the perks and benefits. We've got a great one for Zach this Sunday. Queen, did you see it? Did you see what we're doing this Sunday for Zach? Ali sponsored it again for this Sunday. He bought 5 memberships, which is equivalent to giving everybody paying the. He did 5 memberships, which is equivalent to doing the $10 membership sponsorship, and he is setting up a fundraiser directly using the blog. And we did a poll yesterday, and 14 or 18 of you committed by the poll, saying that you would leave a comment on the blog. So even if you can't donate, leave a comment on the blog so his blog gets traction and starts to take off, and that way And that way, it will reach people who can afford to make a donation. So you're helping just by leaving a comment on his blog. And we did it yesterday. Comes out on Sunday on the newsletter. So make sure you've signed up for the newsletter, okay? Very exciting, that. Let's have a little look. Did we get any? We're up to 71 viewers right now. A bit quiet so far. 58. There we go. Another couple of subscribers. We're doing quite well this morning. Very, very nice indeed. I'll make you a deal. If I get this job, I will subscribe as I can afford to. Hey, drone art. You mean you become a member? You mean, right, listen everybody. This morning, after we finish the show, so we'll find out this afternoon, Drone Art Aerial Services is going for a job to become a manager, and he's going for a management job. He's going for an interview. And if he gets the job, he said he'll subscribe. What he means is he will be a member, I'm sure. But let's wish him the very, very best of luck. So I want the chat to blow up. Let's everyone say, copy and paste. Let's have one of those viral moments. We got 5 minutes to go. Good luck, drone art. All right, copy and paste. Let's send some luck. Drone art, we want to make sure that you get the job. Good luck. Bronze member, cheap. He will buy only a couple of bucks to be a member. There we go. Drone art. Everybody in the chat. Ed's doing it. Mike's doing it. I'm doing it. Nobody else is doing it. Church of Logic is doing it. Everyone is sending you luck right now. Let's have some happy music. Send him some luck. There we go. Cheer. Good luck, Drone art. We hope you get the job. Ed Nevius has joined in. Who's not doing it? Who's a miserable sod? Right, we've got Queen of Logic. She's joined in as well. Church, he's joined in. Thanks. It's in 15 minutes. Oh, bloody hell. It's in a minute. We might find out then during the show if he gets the job. Will they tell you straight away? Good luck, fella. Good luck, fella, says Rob McLean. That's good coming from a Scotsman. Scotsmen never say nice stuff. Good luck for there you go. The Queen of Celebrating. You can't get much more love than that. You can't get much more love than that. There you go. Good luck, mate. There you go. Brilliant. It's great for me. If he gets a job, I get a tip. Brilliant. That's the best deal ever. Thanks, everyone. There you go. 3 minutes to go. Right. 31 watching, 25 likes. If you want to be in our free prize draw, smash the like button. It's coming up in 45 minutes. It's free to enter. It's free for all. All right? Everyone can be in it. Okay? Very, very simple. Very, very excited. Copy and paste what everyone else says. Copy and paste what everyone else says. I'm going to do that. We've got 2 minutes to go. I've got time. I'm going to copy and paste. Can I do that? Yeah. There we go. I'm going to copy and paste the copy and paste. There we go. I'm going to copy and paste the copy and paste the copy and paste. Would someone like to copy and paste my copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste? And if you copy and paste the copy and paste, someone else can copy and paste your copy and paste, which will copy and paste your copy and paste. All right, YouTube are going to ban me from my own channel. They're going to go, why is this guy spamming his own channel? Check your text messages. I've got a text message. Oh. Got a little video here. In a minute, we're going to do something for a member. In a minute, we're going to do something special for a member. Now, let me just check this a minute. Let me check this. Let me have a look. This is the Queen of Self-Braiding at the Dallas Galleria, just down the road from me. Right, look at this. This is the Queen of Self-Braiding. Let's see if this works.
Merry Christmas from the Queen of Logic.
Hey, the Queen of Logic.
Mall in Dallas.
The Queen of Logic.
This is a skating center, and there's a Christmas tree. Everybody's excited about this holidays coming up.
I'm not. I'm miserable. I'm not excited. The Queen of Logic? Does the Queen of Logic mean? Does the Queen of Logic mean she's getting married to Churchy? We're gonna have a live wedding on the show. Yeah, we're having a live wedding on the show. Right, I've got to go because we've got to ring the bell. That's the Queen of Logic, apparently. Right, let's ring the bell. Get ready for the bell. Get ready for the bell. Let's get ready. We got 10 seconds to go. Let's get ready for the bell. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. You ready? Here it comes. Ring the bell, Martin. Ring the bell. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, we're off to the races. The Queen of Logic is getting married to the Church of Logic. We're going to have a live wedding on the show. Can't believe it. Are you putting a tree up decorations in the studio? Yeah, if someone buys it me from my Amazon wish list. All right, here we go. Are we going to have a green day? I think there could be romance in the air. Church of Logic and Queen are getting married on the show. Who's going to be the entertainment at the party? Me. Who's going to be the church organist? Me. Who's going to be the best man? Me. Who's going to be the officiary to get everybody married? Me. Who's going to provide the entertainment and the video? Me. Basically, it's just all me. Other than Churchy and Queen getting married. Right, okay. Let everyone subscribe to the new channel. Let everyone subscribe to the new channel. Give me a minute. Give me a minute, Queen. We're in the middle of a bloody open bell here. We're in the open bell. Let everyone subscribe to the new channel. Can you hang on a minute. I've got to sort this out. Let me sort that out in a minute. Right, can you send me a... I don't know what I'm thinking of a minute. I know. I'll do it in a minute. Right. Here we go. It's selling at the minute. What's going down? What's going down? Let me have a quick look at what's going on. Let's go through it. The S&P 500 is up, holding up. What's going down? Virgin Galactic, very small drop, but it's still up 1.79. Virgin Orbit has popped up. I'm up 6.21%. Queen, don't give it away. Just hold your horses. Mike, mind your own business. I want to announce it properly. You'll spoil it if you just go and jump on it like a bandwagon. Wait, have patience. Is there anybody out there for me? Jason Fallon. Tesla. All right, we're looking for a buy at Tesla. I have confused him on the... You have confused me. You bloody have confused me. Bloody hell, yes. Yeah, stop it. Right, Tesla. Here we go. What's going down? The overall portfolio is dropping. Let's have a quick look. Rivian is going down. We're still up 0.62. Sid... Rivian, let's have a little look. Yeah, I'm confused, all right. You throw me off the wagon, no? Throw me off the boat or whatever it is. Right, what's going down? What can we pick up on cheap right now? Tesla, my order is at 170. I'm not buying it until it goes below. My last buy was 181. 181. I will buy it if it goes lower. I might nip it in at 180. I might wait. Possible scalp. YTRH at Ed Nevius. Let's have a little look. Let's keep watching. Rivian, no. Lucid down a bit. Arrival is up, is flat right now. Amazon is down, is up 0.36. Everything's dropping on the bell. It's going to bounce back in a second. I'm sure of it. Robinhood, McDonald's is up 0.56. That means the money is going into the safe stocks right now. Look at that. These are up big time. My J&J now is up 4.64. I want more Meta, 97.75 on Google. Microsoft, I'm still up nearly 4% on it. Meta, down 3.54. It's starting to recoil. I don't think it's starting to come back. IonQ, I've got orders placed. I've got orders placed everywhere. I'm watching Tesla specifically to see if I can get it for 180. And I'll do a manual buy. Let's have a look. Target. I'm up 7.56. Tesco's popped up. We're just about in the green now overall. Canoe is popped up 2.4. On is up 0.76. New wave of resignations hit Twitter after Musk ultimatum. I know, he's destroying Twitter now. Shares of DraftKings could surge 40% to more than $20, Piper Sandler says. Thank you so much indeed for that. Tilray Brands is down 0.74, still up 17%. The markets now are holding where we are. Ginkgo Bioworks, Enphase Energy, Bitcoin SV down very slightly. Sorry, yeah, down 0.82. Bitcoin, all right, I've got buys at 15.8. 15.8. Are we going to get that today? I don't see it. Personally, I think there's a chance. I don't know. There's a chance that Bitcoin is holding around that 16. Anyway, back to Tesla right now. Back to Tesla. We got 35 minutes. I don't know, 40 minutes, I don't know, something like that before the cash giveaway. If you want to enter our free cash giveaway. I'm sorry, but I don't believe it. What is Ash? You sorry, what don't you believe? I'm sorry, but I don't believe it. Right, Ash Quiz Dixon or something. Doesn't believe something. No idea what they don't believe. Anyway, Tesla, 182. See, it's bouncing again. I'm not going to jump in. Let's see what we get. We'll see what we get on Tesla. It's going back up again. The overall portfolio is going up. We've had that morning bounce. Sorry, that morning sell-off. We've got another 10, 15 minutes of the volatility. But of the opening bell stuff. 60% American are living paycheck to paycheck, heading to peak shopping season. 10 million Ukrainians without power. Kiev says evidence of gross sabotage found on Nord Stream blast site. Awful, awful, awful. Russia's top military brass announced in a televised appearance that they were pulling troops out of the key city of Kherson in southern Ukraine. One man missing from the room was Vladimir Putin. Russia's top military brass announced in televised appearance that they were pulling troops out of the key city of Kherson in southern Ukraine. One man missing from the room was Vladimir Putin. That's interesting. Right, it looks like, again, Tesla is bouncing off that 180. Kathy Wood says load the boat. There's not going to be shares available much longer for Tesla at this price. When they say there's no shares available, what they mean is nobody will sell at this price and the price will go up. And I am starting to think the same. Even though Kathy Wood's just for herself and she talks a lot of nonsense half the time, it doesn't want to go down lower. This thing where everyone said it's going to 150, 100 and all the rest of it, it doesn't want to do that. It keeps bouncing off 180. Here we go. Here we go. I want to get it at 170. I'm ready. I'm armed. I'm waiting for it. But I will go below. I will get another one. If it goes below 180, I bought at 181. I will buy it at 179 or 178 because it's showing resilience. It's like Bitcoin. It's showing resilience around 16 grand. So I will buy another one. I'm going to wait. I'm going to hold. I've got enough. I don't need to own any more shares to fulfill my target, my retirement number. I don't. I've got enough shares. I've got an overall portfolio. It's strong enough. I don't need to buy anything. But if they're going to give it away, I'll pick it up. Is it going to hit? My lowest all-time price for Tesla is 181.26. There we go. My all-time low. All-time low, 181.26. 181.26. The overall portfolio is coming up. Confidence is in the market. My portfolio is actually holding up. It's only 180. Here we go. Look, the portfolio is holding up. So I have confidence to buy. I can lower my average here. I can lower my average, 181.26. Yep, I can lower my average. 181. I am getting ready to buy a share of Tesla. There, another one. I'm 21% down. Review the order. Let's have a quick look. We're down 181. My lowest is 181.26. 181. This is an all-time low. It's being resilient. How low can it go? I've no idea. As long as I'm paying less, 22, I was waiting for 70. But it's going sideways. It's not selling off. It's like Bitcoin. It's holding itself. It's got every reason to go lower, and it's not. And to lower my averages, I'm only buying one share at a time. Even if I buy one at one, I'm not buying for more than 181 because that's the price I bought before. But if I can get it lower and add another one, I'm happy to do that. Let's see. The overall portfolio is up 0.5%. I'm just waiting. Got my finger on the buy. This isn't a limit order. There we go, 181. I'm leaving. I have got an order at 170, but I like the fact it keeps bouncing off this 181, 180 all the time. So for me, I think that's its first little tail. 181.05. There we go. I just got one. I got it for 181.05. Okay. There we go. My average is now dropped again. 20.9. Let's have a look. So now my new low is 181.05. So I've got it at cheaper again. 181.26. 181.05. Lowering it down, lowering it down, lowering it down. I'm down 20.7 now. I was down 21 or 22, 21 and a bit this morning. So there we go. It's going up again. It's going up again. The moment it turned up, I bought it. So 181. There we go. I am happy with that. Did anyone get one? Did anyone get that at 181? It's going up now. So what did I just pay for it? I just paid 181.05. There we go. Did anyone else get that? Am I the only person to do that? Let me know. Did anyone just buy a Tesla? I've still got my buy at 170, but only one share. So I'm adding manually as it goes down. But now I've set a limit. Now I've set another minimum price. My minimum now is 181.05. Rob McLean got one. Rob McLean, what did you pay? What did you pay? 4 shares of DWAC. Oh, careful. Careful. We're buying DWAC this morning. I got 181.55. Nice. 181.44. Nice. I got 181.05. Who's the king of the trading now? Oh man. Just in cases, I am a risk taker. You are, Queen of Celebrating. You are calling yourself the Queen of Logic as well. You're getting a little bit too close to churchy. Getting a little bit too close. I don't know what's going on there. Anyway, let's watch it again. So the last buy was at 181.05. Oh, here we go. New low again. Oh, here we go. I've got now, as it gets closer to 170, I'm holding back now. I don't want to buy it too much, get too carried away. She has good taste, Martin. Stop hating her. I can't say. I can't get involved in this. I can't get involved in these shenanigans. Right. We are getting very close now. Half an hour for our cash giveaway. Very excited. We are gone in 45 minutes. I'm going water aerobics this morning. Cash giveaway. How many people are watching? How many people have entered the draw? Right. 29 watching, 26 likes, virtually 100%. Well, I'm happy with that. Let's have a quick look. How many subscribers have we gained this morning? 4,888. Another one, 4,889. Lovely. There are now 90 coming through the show. So we're on target for our 200 by the end of the show. Spot on. Spot on. How many people are now in the draw? There are, let's have a look. There were 18. Let me refresh the screen. There are now 20. So if you want to be in our free prize draw, it's free to enter, free for all. We're giving away a $10 cash prize. There is a 2-minute video. It is exclusive to newsletter readers. However, if it goes below 10% of my newsletter readers enter it, then I open it up to the public, which is exactly what I've done. There it is. Watch the video, 2 minutes long. Leave a like, leave a comment. The comment is CPI and you'll be in the draw. Only 20 people are in and they have to be in the stream, which means probably only half of those will be in the stream. So you probably got a 1 in 10 chance of winning the cash prize. And I'll pay you live on the show as it happens. So why would you not be in? I have no idea. Anyway, there it is. There it is. Okay. Okay, Tesla. We're watching Tesla very, very carefully. The overall portfolio is coming up. We asked the poll, would we have a sell-off Friday? 60% say no. The bulls are now more and more often being right than wrong. I like it. I like it. Optimism and positivity is coming in the market. Now, let me just say one thing, and this is so important, right? Everyone keeps reminding me, and they're right to do so. The economy is terrible. People are losing jobs. Inflation's out of control. Blah, blah, blah. That's all true. And that is horrible. The reality is, though, the stock market is not the economy. The stock market is completely different, and it reacts 6 months ahead of the economy. Remember, it's forward thinking. This will turn bullish before the economy does. And you know, the stock market could be rallying even though the economy is bad. So it's why you invest. It's why you save. The economy might be bad, but you could be okay if you're investing and saving for the future, as opposed to spending money on inflationary items. Right? You should be investing and saving. That's what this channel is all about, right? Investing and saving. Right, we're up 1% right now, which is very, very nice. Now remember, my portfolio is stripped of about $530. My Bitcoin is removed from my from Robinhood. It's now on my ledger. And if you want a ledger and you want a cash back on the ledger, ask me and I'll give you my Amazon link and you can use it to buy anything on Amazon, and whatever you buy on Amazon, I get a small referral. It costs you nothing, and I share with you on the screen what I've got and give you 50% of it back live on the show. All right? Okie dokie, here we go. We're up now 1.1. Let's go back to VU is moving up. Virgin Galactic is moving up. I'm up 9.64, which is just about $1,000. Virgin Orbit going up now. I'm up 7.62. Waiting for another downturn. Tesla up 181.39 now. Nice. DXY is moving the market at the moment, says 22. She has good taste, leave her alone. The problem is that the market doesn't know what will happen at the moment. The Fed trying to push up employment. If you're buying here, you're fighting the Fed. That's what Market Profit always says. And I don't go along with that analogy. I know that's Market Profit's opinion and that's your opinion. I don't care what the Fed does. I don't care what people say on YouTube. I don't care what people say on Twitter. I don't care what the trends are. I don't care what Elon Musk is saying. I focus on my objectives. I focus on my plan. I focus on my goals. And I research the companies and I buy them at all-time low prices. It's a very, very simple strategy. And it's not that far away from the way Warren Buffett does it. He looks at great companies and buys them when they're cheap. That's it. And if I loved it at this price, why would I not buy it at this price? I'm never interested in the tinsel and the frills on the top. I'm interested, let me get myself in focus. I'm interested in the foundations. Constantly building the foundations. And what that does, it gives me stability, security, allows me to be calm and relaxed about my portfolio. That's why I'm not just going all in all the time on every stock. Look, Tesla's going down again now. That's okay. I bought one at my all-time low price. Only one. I don't know when the bottom's coming. Neither does anybody else. Neither does anybody else. I've got a buy at 170, but it's been bouncing around 180. Now then, this is where I draw the line with charts, right? I'm looking at this and I'm seeing around this 177, 178, 180, it keeps coming off that point, right? Look, sideways. If it breaks and goes down, then I'll hold back for 170. Then I'll hold back because it could go 170. It could go 150. It could go 100. I don't know. Neither does anybody else. That's why I'm only buying one share at a time. So I'm down 21% on Tesla. My average now, 229. It's not that bad. Let's see if we can get it to go even lower. The Fed caused a bull market since 2008 with low interest rates. They are now actively trying to end that. I've said it before, it doesn't matter how good a company is if people aren't buying. You're absolutely right. You're absolutely right. We've always said this. Stock prices go up when people buy them, and they go down when they sell them. You could have the best company in the world that makes gazillion dollars a second. If nobody buys that company, it goes nowhere. However, when a company makes a gazillion dollars a second, people jump in, because people will not leave gold sat on the table. If we all sat round a table and gold was sat on the table and all you got to do is reach out and pick it up, everybody would reach out and pick it up. It wouldn't sit there forever. And if a company gets cheaper and cheaper and cheaper and cheaper, and it's making money and money and money, all of a sudden someone comes in and goes, bosh, I'm having it all. And that's the sort of thing that Warren Buffett would do. If, for example, Tesla, which makes all this money, one of the most profitable, by the way of margin on its profit of its cars, makes more money than anyone else. If it suddenly went to $1 a share, it would never get there. It would never be there. It would be bought and swallowed up, and someone would buy the entire company. So don't think that even if the Fed and everyone else drives prices down, don't think it will go down forever. At some point, it becomes so attractive that everyone buys it. There's a bottom to everything. All right? There's a bottom to everything. At some point, this becomes super, super attractive. Very true, Martin, says Mike. Because people are greedy. People go, hang on a minute, Tesla is now free. I'm going to buy the entire company. So don't think that Tesla is going to go down and down forever and you're going to set a buy order at $20, because you're never going to get it for $20, right? It's never, ever going to happen. Now, you've got to think to yourself, here is $20, right? Free, right? And here is, I don't know, $1,000, right? It's more likely to go above $20 to 1,000 than it is to go lower. At some point, people are going to buy it. It's not going to sit there forever. Yes, Buffett embraces bear markets, as do I. I keep saying the red days is when I go to work. I'm buying stocks today. On green days, I don't do anything. I start trimming and going into dividend stocks, which earn me free money, right? That's it. Right, 180 now. Now, what's my lowest? 181. I've got it for nearly $1 cheaper. Who's going to buy another one at 180? We're nearly at the last chance to get Tesla, in my opinion. Look, my portfolio is up. Optimism, I'm up. I'm making money. Even though Tesla's going down, my portfolio is going up because it's getting lower. It's getting near the bottom. What did I buy the last one? 180.105. Shall I buy another one at 180? I bought last time at 180. 180, here we go. What did I buy? I bought it at 181. We're at 180. Review order, just one. Lowering it down. 180. Let's wait for the next little drop. My portfolio is now up 1.12. 180. I bought, right, here we go. 180. Elon debt problem with Twitter will affect Tesla. Not forever, it won't. 180. Think of that as 1, 2, 3, 300, 8, 16, 3. That's $540 a share, old money. Think of it, it was $1,200. 180. It'll be 170 come the new year. Doesn't matter. I don't care if it is 170. If I've got an average of, by that time, 180, I'll be down by the smallest amount. It won't matter, will it? And then everybody will buy it in and it'll go up anyway. So it won't matter. It won't matter. $155 says 301. 155. I don't care. If that's the lowest, 155, and I've got an average of 180, I wouldn't care. Would anyone care? You were $30 out. I wouldn't care. If the very, very lowest was 155, then it bounced back up, and I got it at 180. So what? Are you telling me you can't make money if you own Tesla at 180? Of course you can. Because when it gets to 180, people will pay 200, people pay 300. It'll go up and up and up from there. It doesn't matter, does it? I don't care. I'm in at 203 exactly. I just bought at 180.30. There you go. I got another one. I got another one at 180.30. There we go. 180.30. So my new low now is 180.30. Oh my gosh. All right. 180.30. I love it. 48 shares now. I want to get the lowest price ever. They don't believe in it. I'm glad I can sit and watch and not have a, hang on, what did you say? I'm glad that not have an urge to buy on every loop. Just look at the daily or weekly daily chart. It tells you where the gap is. 301 in a bear market, you don't need FOMO. In a bear market, you don't need FOMO. I haven't got FOMO. I haven't got FOMO at all. I'm very happy with that. I feel very, very good. I've got an average of 228. That's the sort of level that I can keep for years. I'm happy with that. Very, very happy with that. I feel very, very good. And let's just bring it into context. Look at my portfolio. Bearing in mind, it's strengthening the base. It's strengthening the base. Look at that. I'm getting cheaper and cheaper shares. My portfolio is getting stronger and stronger. It's up 1.46. It's holding up despite all of that. All right. It's just like Meta. Everyone got fed up with Elon Musk, and now they're getting fed up. With Mark Zuckerberg, and now they're getting fed up with Elon Musk. Look at that. Look at Meta. Same story. Exactly the same story. Every generation get the opportunity, and every generation a year later go, I wish I'd bought that. How many of you said, I wish I bought Bitcoin when it first came out? I wish I bought Tesla when it came out. I wish I bought Amazon when it came out. Everyone says it. Everyone says it. How many people do it? When I started out this channel on YouTube, a lot of people contacted me and said, I'm going to start a YouTube channel. I'm going to do it. I'm going to do what you're doing. How many of them are doing it now? Hardly any. It's hard work. You've got to stand and keep going. Most people give up. Most people give up. Most people sell out. Most people go, oh, I can't do it anymore. Most people get afraid. Do you want to be that person? All right. So there you go. I am very, very happy to own Tesla for $228 a share. Average price. Very, very happy with that. Yo, here we go. Now we're below 180 for the first time. Work hard. Hard work pays off. I've seen it all my life. It does. You have to take the hits. It's not all rosy and win, win, win every 5 minutes. Now we're going to hold back. Now, because I bought 3 this morning, haven't I? Bought 3, and that's okay. I'm not going to suddenly jump in and buy another one and another one and another one. Now we're going to wait. Now we're going to wait. See if we can get down to 170. Let's see if we can. We're still up. Right. We've got day trader of the day. We've got our cash giveaway coming up as well. Let's make sure everyone has liked the video. If you're watching right now, please subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know you're here. We're investing, trading live with Tesla and the whole stock market. Smash the like button if you've not already done so. If you want to be in our free prize draw, you can. I've opened it up to everybody because less than 10% took part. So I now open it up to everybody. There it is. It's a 2-minute video. All you got to do is watch it all the way through. Stick to your plan, 170. No, you're right now. 22, you're absolutely right. Don't want to keep buying at every dollar. You're absolutely right. 3 is enough. Now I want to wait for it to go down a bit lower, because otherwise I'm just buying it every dollar, every 50 cents, and I'm going to end up paying too much. Once everybody loads the boat at 150, 60, 70, whatever that magic number's going to be, it'll go up. Just added 2 shares of Coke. Also had a Tesla at 18. Nice. Let's have a look at Coca-Cola this morning. Always a solid stock. Never loses me any money. J&J is now up 4%, up 0.23 today. Very good. Google's up today. Microsoft is up to date. They're all making me money now. I'm up 4% nearly on Microsoft. I'm up 3% on Coca-Cola. Very good. Good dividends. Just keep chiseling away. I like it. McDonald's down very slightly, but I'm up nearly 12.5%. So that's fine. Microsoft, Meta is up today, 1.51, 2% out of the money. So far, I'm down 10%. I've got buy orders in there. Right, we're about to turn red. Tesla is going a bit lower, 179. Maybe it'll go to 170 today. I don't know. You're right, but there will be a bottom at some point. But nobody knows where, so don't chase it down. Just stick to your plan. No, he's absolutely right. The reason why I bought 3 today at 180, each time lower, didn't get carried away and buy the pump, is because it had been hovering around this 177, 180 for a couple of weeks now and didn't want to go lower. Remember, it's been 177 before. So let's not get suddenly, this is it now, it's going to break. Look, it's been 170, look, 177 before. It's been around here before, and it bounced back up. All right? This is where it's been going sideways. So because of that, I've only been buying 1 share when I had 45. It's not going to lower my average by 1 share, is it, when I've got 45? You've got to spend a lot more than that. So I bought one, and I bought another one, and I bought another one because it kept going a bit lower. Now I need to have some restraint, hold back, and wait for it to go considerably lower because I'm overweighted on this stock. So I'm overexposed to one company, and I don't want to get all carried away and go silly. Right. Time for a commercial break. We've got 15 minutes to go before we do our cash giveaway. We're about to do day trader of the day. It's our cash giveaway coming up. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. Quick commercial break. Here we go. See you back in 10 seconds from now. Okay, we're back. This is why charts matter. He said, hang on a minute, you don't read charts and you're just quoting charts. What's going on? Yes. Again, the swings are heavy today. Just chill on buying the bottom for the day is coming. This is why charts matter, says Church. Right, 178. Yes, charts definitely matter, says Ed Nivius. Here come the chart readers. All right, okay. 178.92, 179. I'm my next buy, 170. 170. I'll buy at 170, okay? I'll behave myself. Unless I buy one at 171. I'm just saying. All right, bring up that chart, that weekly chart on Tesla with candles. We need 4 candles. You want to go for a week with 4 candles? All right, then here we go. I can do that. There you go. Ed Nevius. The best way to show you that screen actually isn't there. Let me go back to another way to share that screen. That isn't the best way to share it. Right, 178. We are falling. Tesla is bringing me down. Okay, let me go over to a different screen a minute. And Voo, space, and Tesla. Tesla. This is the best way of showing you the candlesticks. I know you want to see it. This one here. There you go. That's the best view. If you're watching on a phone, that might be a little bit. Keep zooming out. It's easy to get carried away on a drop and keep adding. I've done it before. It can go a lot lower than you think. Absolutely. Keep zooming out. Keep zooming out. As John Kenneth Galbraith said, the only function of economic forecasting is to make astrology look respectable. Like that. LOL. 3950. Very important on SPY. Has been recent support. Has been recent support. There we go. There we go, 178. Now I'm holding back. Now I'm holding back because I'm glad I'm in at 180. Even though it's gone lower, I'm glad to be in at 180. I'm not upset and going, oh, I've lost $2 a share. I'm glad to be in because all of a sudden, it will happen. Tesla is going to be snapped up. Tesla is going to be snapped up at any moment. It could happen at any, we don't know when that's going to come. But a company that makes money like Tesla is not going to go down forever. All right? But we know we should have held back 30 minutes ago. No, we shouldn't have, church. We bought Tesla at a good price. It's okay. It's overpriced. We know it's overpriced. The real value is probably like 140, 150, to be fair. However, you didn't buy it at 180 because you think it's worth 180, did you? You bought it at 180 because in the future it's going to be worth 2, 3, 4. So does it matter you bought it for 180 or 170? No, it doesn't. You can't time the market. You can't beat everybody else. Don't even try to. You're happy with your purchase? That's fine. You got a good discount? That's fine. Will it go a bit lower? Yeah, but in a minute it's going to be swapped up. And once it gets bought up at 170, 60, 50, whatever that price is, it's going to go way past your 180, so don't worry about it. Tesla recalls 30,000 vehicles. That happens all the time. Ford's always doing it. Churchill will hate me for saying it. Everyone recalls cars. Don't worry about that. Right, I buy with the dust when the dust settles. I'm not running through the desert when I can't see. Oh, I like that. That's a good one. That's a good one. I like that, Churchy. I'll give you that. I'll give you that one. I think that's all right. Right. That being said, as you say, Martin, markets look 6 months ahead. Interest rates will influence car sales, even premium cars. Most people finance a car purchase. They do. They certainly do. But I think that inflation has peaked. I think that the CPI rate next month will come down. And I've always said, I don't see that the Fed will U-turn or pause. They could pivot. It could pivot to 0.5%. It could, but it certainly won't be going up to 1%. Anyway, anybody buy ARDX? No, I haven't. We're at 178 now. Who's buying at 178? I am not. My next is at 170. I might have a nibble at 171. I'm just saying. Let's have a little look. Right, day trader of the day, because we've got our cash giveaway coming up in just 5 minutes' time. So, last chance. There are how many people are in the draw? Let me share it on the screen. There were 20. Let's see, there are now 21. If you want to be in a free cash prize draw, free to enter, free for all, you can be in it. It's absolutely free. Here is the video you need to watch. It's 2 minutes long. There it is. Leave the comment, watch all the way through, give a like. The comment you need to leave is CPI. CPI in the chat. If you leave that in the chat, then you will be in the draw. It's free to enter. Now, normally, it's only for my newsletter readers, but the newsletter readers were less than 10% entered it of my readers, so I opened it up publicly. I don't open it up publicly if my newsletter readers enter it, but this week only less than 10% did. That's why I've opened it up. Okay? Now, if you want to be in the draw for next week, oh, hang on, I'll do day trade of the day first. Right, okay, here we go. I am down 0.87. Day trader of the day, please. Let's do that now. I'm out of here in 20 minutes. Water aerobics day. Did dilute chart say? What does that say? What's that mean? Ed Nevius. Are you on about my crystal ball? Danny Joyce, when does the draw take place? Draw takes place in 5 minutes, and you've got to be here, otherwise you lose. You can't be in if you don't. Right. Day trader of the day on the screen. Here we go. 1 minute on the clock. And then we got cash giveaway. You ready? I'm down 0.87. Tesla's now 178. Come on. When does the draw take place? 5 minutes. My brother space 10. And my brother space $10 by middle of December. Ooh, that's a prediction and a half. I'm not sure I'd go quite that far, but it's possible. All right, here we go. Down 0.5. Down 1.21. Queen of Cell Brading's in the lead. Down 0.5. Oh, Will Matthews goes into the lead. Oh, and then Jason Newman goes even further in the lead with 0.09. Fantastic. Okay. The portfolio is bouncing. Let's have a little look. Let's go back to Tesla. Yep. 178 is trying to return. Jason, thank you very much. No, Sid. Sid takes it right on the button. 0.04. Sorry about that, mate. You nearly won then. Thank you, Sid, for your honest trade. Give him a thumbs up, and here's the sound effects. Here we go. There we go. Congratulations indeed. Lovely. Yes. There you go. Well done. Okay. We're getting a bit of a bounce right now. Is Tesla bottoming out at 178? I don't know. Nobody knows. Jason won. Jason. Who was Jason? No. He was down 0.37. Down 0.37. Down. No, Sid won. Sid won. He's up 0.4. What are you on about? Don't confuse me. Sid won. I was right. Don't come here confusing me. Well done, Sid. Yeah, Will Matthews, get out of it. He was down. Right. Okay. Tesla, is it going to bottom at 178? Is this the low? No one knows. All right, it's now cash giveaway. Cash giveaway prize. So every single Friday we do a cash prize draw here for free on the channel every Friday, and every first Friday of the month we also do another cash giveaway for my Twitch subscribers. It's free to enter using Amazon Prime Gaming. So if you want to subscribe to me on Twitch, keep it running in the background. It's always good. It helps me earn more money so I can give more money. But I give away the money I make in subscriptions. It's free to subscribe to me on Twitch, absolutely free, using Amazon Prime Gaming. Just turn it on and Amazon will pay the subscription. Please manually renew it every month and you will be in the draw. There's my Twitch channel and we are running on Twitch right now. I will share with you the Twitch broadcast. There we got 10 subscribers, so it's a 1 in 10 chance of winning. There it is. See it on the screen? I'm running on Twitch right now. So you too could be in that. All right. If you want to be in our free prize draw, we have a cash draw every Friday. I send it out to you via a newsletter of the video you need to watch. Here is the video. Sorry, here is the newsletter. I'm going to give it you right now. There it is in the chat. That will take you to the all links button. If you look on the all links button, it's been updated. Scroll down here, all links arrow. Look, put your email in there. You then need to verify the email. The email will always go into your junk folder because it contains the word cash prize draw. Cash prize draw. So here is the email you're looking for. It's the daytrader at martynlucas.com. Okay, there is the email you're searching for in the chat. Look in your junk folder after you've done your email and clicked subscribe. It will go there, and make sure that you put that email in your inbox so you see it. Comes out every Sunday, 8 a.m. Central, 9 a.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. GMT. Now, if below 10% of my readers enter the draw, I open it up to the public. So if you watch it and enter through the newsletter, and more than 10% enter, then you've got a very good chance to win. But when less than 10% do, then I open it up. It also includes all my top tips, Robinhood snacks, and our sponsors and other good stuff. If you scroll down the all links button, you can see all my free stocks. All my members that follow my social media, like Twitter and Facebook and all those things, I follow you back. And here are my free stocks from all the different brokerages. All right, let's done that. Now then, we've got 1 minute before we do it. Next thing we need to do is make sure everybody is live. If you don't claim your prize within like 10 seconds, you lose. Go to the video and make sure that this button here this live button is red. See, look, mine's red. If I go behind the stream, it turns grey. I'm now behind the stream. I'm behind. Click live. It jumps right up to the beginning. It now turns red, which means you are now up to date. See? Goes from grey to red. That's the terms of the rules. That's the terms of the competition. If you've not done that and you don't claim the prize, you won't get a chance to win. All right? Okay, so then everyone's done it. Let's have a look. How many people entered the draw? Let's go. It looks like there was 21. Let's refresh the screen. It's now 23. To enter the draw, you've got to watch the video all the way through. It was only 2 minutes. You've got to like it and leave the comment CPI, which is in the newsletter or this week open to the public because not many people entered it at all. All right, so here we go. It's cash prize giveaway. Let me know you're in the stream. I want to bring everybody up to date. So go into the stream right now and say, I am here. And then as soon as you say that, I will do it. I want everybody to say, I am here in the stream. I will then do it. Mike says, I am here. Everyone do it. So I know you're all up to date, and then I'll run it. Okay, Will Matthews. Good. Now, if you want to become a member of our channel and get all the perks and benefits, here is the invitation to join. You'll notice 95% of our live viewers are actual members. We have the highest engagement rate on YouTube. Mr. B says about 8 to 9% of his live viewers are members. Mine is 95%. 95% of my live viewers are members. So become a member and be part of our family and get all the perks. The perks are designed to benefit you. Right, we've got lots of I'm here's. Mike, Will, Shad, Fusion, Steezy, Church, Jason, Crag, Danny Joyce, Michael Holder, I'm here. There you go. Have you all entered it? Is the portfolio bottoming out? Trying to come back up? Is Tesla bottoming out? Let's have a quick look before we draw. Right, 177. Not buying any more now, but plenty at 180. So we're waiting for a 170 buy now. Not going to go any more in. Okay, let's go back to it then. Let's go and do the draw. I've got 14 minutes before I'm out of here. Let's go over to the draw. Here we go. So, good luck, everyone. And remember, as the channel gets bigger, the cash prizes get bigger. I want to give more away. So please do take part. Please watch the video. Subscribe to the newsletter. And the prizes will get bigger. All right, here we go. Who's going to win today? You've got to be here. The winner is... Let's go. The winner today is... Mike Schleiman. Is that Schleiman? Mike Schleiman. Okay, is Mike Schleiman in the chat? I don't see Mike Schleiman. I will do a quick check. Mike Schleiman is not in the chat. Okay, you have lost the cash prize. We're now going to draw it again. We're going to draw it again. He's not here. I've just checked. He's not in the chat, so I'm going to go again. Mike Schleiman, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. He's not here, so let's go again. All right, Mike Schleiman wins. Too late. You didn't reply. So who's next? Will Matthews. Is Will Matthews in the chat? Will Matthews, you need to claim your prize in 10 seconds. You need to do that. I think he's here. He's registering here, but he has to accept it. Thank you. There he is. All right. Will Matthews has won today. Congratulations, Will. So, Will, going straight on a subscription. Fantastic. You mean a membership? You mean a membership? All right, here's the membership. There it is. Let me give you the link. So, to claim your prize, you have to claim it within the day. If you don't claim it within the day, you lose it. I'm not going to chase you, run around for the next 2 weeks trying to find you. How do you claim it? You claim it by sending me a message in a secure fashion through Discord. Here is the Discord link. There it is. Now, you're not a YouTube member right now, so I can't give you all the benefits of a member on Discord, but you can message me with the purpose of this because you've won the cash prize. So go on to Discord. It will take you 10 minutes to get through. Do it now because I've got to be gone in 10 minutes. All right, here is Discord. Once you are on Discord, I want to see you in the Welcome All channel. This is the Welcome All channel. You will appear here, and you will appear here as a new person on Discord. I'll verify it's you. I can then communicate with you and get your Cash App, Apple Pay, PayPal, or whatever, and send you your cash. If you don't do it in the next 10 minutes, you have the rest of the day to do it, but I won't be able to pay you or communicate with you until I come back this afternoon in the closing bell and verify. And you do need to be there so I can verify you. If you don't get it verified and don't claim the prize, you will lose it. And Shad is such a star. He says, look, looking out for Will. Look at that. There you go. Shad is always... I've got Mike taking care of so much. Shad seems to be taking care of our new guests on Discord. Love Shad for doing that. Absolutely brilliant. Shad is over there on Discord waiting to welcome in our winner. All right, Will Matthews. So once again, here is the Discord. Get it sorted. You've got 10 minutes to go. It takes 10 minutes to get through. If you've not done it before I have to leave, you've got the chance to do it for the rest of the day, but I can't verify you until the closing bell this afternoon. All right. I'm going to leave that with Shad. Shad is on it. Shad is taking care of it, so I shall let Shad do his thing. Thank you very much, Shad, for doing that. Brilliant. Tesla is now having its first bounce all day. It's had little ripples, but that's its first bounce. It went, now, of course, it could be a fake out. It went down to 177. It's 178.64. That doesn't mean to say I'm going to jump in. That doesn't mean it's bottomed. It could go down again. However, it's nice to see it go up. Well, wow, Saxed, holy halt up. Sachs has got a halt up. There we go. That's coming in from Ed Nevius. All right, we've got a few minutes to go. We asked this morning, would today be a sell-off Friday? 62% said no. And you're not far off. We are 0.15 down. And I think the moment Tesla retracts and starts going back up again, we could soon be green. Soon be green. And if it goes to 170, I've got a buy at 170. And we're looking out for William, who's not yet in Discord. Right, we've got 9 minutes to go. Churchy said today, he had an idea, and he said, what about a Secret Santa for the members? Church of Logic, are you still here? I kind of like it. Yes, he is. I like it. Will is in Discord. Hey, thank you, Shad. Let me go over there and have a look. Hello. All right. Is this him? Right. Okay. Will Matthews. Will Matthews, come back onto YouTube. Confirm. Will Matthews, is this you? Come onto YouTube, Will. Come onto YouTube. Back onto YouTube, Will. And tell me, is this you? I have to confirm that this is you. I know it looks like you, but remember, people will pretend to be you to claim your prize. All right, Will Matthews, can you just come into YouTube right now and tell me that this is you on the screen? Stephen Lewandowski is going, hello, everyone. I didn't win. Should I message you direct? Go to YouTube and confirm this is your account. All right. Yes, that's me. Right. The first thing I do, if you become a YouTube member right now, I will actually upgrade your account. But right now, I won't upgrade your account to be a member. So you can't see most of the channels. But there is the invitation. If you do upgrade, I'll do it. But anyway, right now, the first thing I have to do is change your nickname on our channel. You are Will Matthews on YouTube, so you are Will Matthews here. It's so everyone can build a relationship with you and know it's you, so we don't have scammers and bots and stuff like that. So you are now Will Matthews on our server. Only on our server, not anywhere else, just on our server, so we know it's you. Okay? I will now message you as well. And I will message you. Congrats. Okay. Congrats. Okay, add as a friend. There you go. Add you as a friend as well. Now then. The best way to pay you is Cash App. Are you in the United States? Are you in the United States? We can use PayPal and Apple Pay, but Cash App is the best. It doesn't take any fees, and actually you can get some extra money as well. Let me just check. Where is my... here it is. Here's my referral. Okay, here it is. Cash App is the number one option. I'm going to leave that with you now. I don't have to let anyone else be bored with all this now. That's up to you now, Will, to contact me. I strongly recommend you use Cash App if you are in the US, because you'll get your $10 gift from me, plus you'll get a $5 gift from Cash App. If you don't have it or don't want it or can't get it in your country, that's fine. We'll try PayPal, but there is a small fee on PayPal. That's why I recommend Cash App. All right. Okay. Done. 5 minutes. I'm out of here. And we're done. Let's have a little look. Tesla's bouncing back now. Reasonably strong. Oh, Will Matthews has become a member. Will Matthews has just become a member of our channel. So I'm now going to upgrade you to have all the perks and benefits on our Discord. Let me scroll down. Roles. Member. I've just made you a member now. Look, you have the role of... You have the roller of member, YouTube member. See it here? You have that now. Right, so would everybody please go into the welcome all and welcome Will Matthews in. Give them a great Discord welcome, explain how the channel works. You can now call into the show, live in the show, in the broadcast lounge when it's open. It's not open now because I'm just closing it because we're finishing the show. You can now have a poll in the chat. You can now ask me to review a stock, make a video on it. You can also have a birthday celebration for you and your family. You can now talk to all the members. You can see all the exclusive channels. We've got great tips on Muzanetta, Ali Tisro, Ed Nevius, great tips all down here. And Will Matthews has become our new member. Would everybody please congratulate and welcome our new member, Will Matthews, into the channel. There we go. Thank you very much indeed. There we go. We love it. Cheers, mate. Thanks a lot. Nice to see you with your clothes on today. Yes, that was a one-off yesterday. What an experience that was. Now, look, this is exactly what I was talking about with Tesla. We had that little bounce. That was not a signal to buy more. I'm waiting for 170. If it gets to 171, I may have a little nibble, but it's still threatening to go down. Welcome all. Everyone's welcome you in. Thank you very, very much indeed. And please take advantage of all the perks. They're there to benefit you. They're not there to make me rich. They do provide this channel. The members are what keep this channel going. If I wanted to just make money, I would make videos and hardly go live at all. Do half an hour live a day, maybe, like the big YouTubers. But I go live 10 hours a day because I'm about building a community. And I don't make any money from these videos. It's the memberships that support me to be able to be here. And right now I earn about 10 to 12 bucks a day. It's not a lot. Overall, it's going up slightly, maybe 15 bucks next month a day. Is what I earn, and the members are what provide this live stream. And in return, I hope I give you the best value. I give back everything I make and some, and I work for you 10 hours a day because my ambition is to grow the best YouTube channels in the world. There are two, this one and the music channel. Right, we've got 1 minute to go before we go. If you've not yet subscribed to my music channel, scroll down to... Oh, is the Queen of Self-Braiding here? Forget my channel. Forget subscribing to me. I want to do something for the Queen. I promised I would do it. I promised I would do it, and a promise is a promise, right? Queen of Self-Braiding has the Queen of Self-Braiding channel. Here it is. She's at 327 subscribers. I want everyone who's not yet subscribed. We support everyone here on the channel. Remember, your day will come when we will give you hundreds and hundreds and thousands of subscribers. Everybody, go and click on that. There is the Queen of Self-Braiding's channel. I think she has another one. We'll look at that another day. I've run out of time right now. But anyway, 327. I've got 30 seconds to go before I go. I've got to roll the credits. So I'm going to start the music. I'm going to refresh that in 1 minute. I want that to go, in fact, less than 1 minute. Ready? 3, 2, 7. Has everyone clicked on it? Check Discord at the next show mine. All right. All right. There is the Queen's link. One more time. I'm going to refresh it. I've got to get out of here. I want that better have gone up. So all our new members, all our new family, you ready? Support the Queen of Celebrating. She here supports all of you. You ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It better have gone up. It better have gone up. 3, 2, 7. Here he is. Queen of Celebrating. Oh, it didn't go up. What happened? What happened? That's not good enough. There's at least maybe 4 people here that have never subscribed to you before. I'm going to refresh it again. I don't, but I know they'll do it. I know they'll do it, Queen. I know they'll do it. I've got to go, folks. I've got to go in 30 seconds. I've got to roll the credits. I'm going to refresh it again. 3, 2, 7. 3, 2, 7. I'm going to roll the credits, and I'm going to expect it to go up during the credits. All right? Roll the credits. I've got to get out of here. Roll the credits. Start the music. I've never ended the show on someone's channel before. Anyway, whatever. Here we go. I'm going to roll the credits. Here we go. Let's see what happens. 3, 2, 7. I'm turning green, by the way. My portfolio is just turning green. 3, 2, 7. I've got to see it go to 3 to 8. I've got to see it go up 1. Yes! Get in! Get in! 3, 2, 9. Best YouTube channel in the world. Best YouTube channel in the world. There we go. I love it. I love it. I love it. 3, 2, 9. I love it. I love it. There we go, Queen. We got you up another few more. We've never failed. We've never failed. Thank you, family. Thank you, team. Thank you, everyone. Right, that's it. We're out of here. Buy or roll the credits or doctor's office. Buy the credits or right, let's have a look. We got a super chat from Mark Cormier. Got a subscriber, Mike Shellham, and Will Matthews we've just turned green. We've just turned green again. We said we'd have a green morning. We've had a green morning. Tesla's rebounding. There you go. Look at that. We're up. Yes, 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 yes. Queen of Self-Braiding is thrilled to bits. She got some more subscribers. Tesla is trying to push up. We're up. We were green 10 seconds ago. Yep, Tesla is rebounding. Let's have a quick look. 178. I bought at 180 today. I don't mind. That's good. Bit better. Right. I'm done. I'm out of here. I will see you all back for the closing bell this afternoon. Now, I'm going to set up a Amazon wish list, and we're going to talk about Santas and Santa's, what do they call it? Secret Santas and all the rest of it. Bit of fun. Bit of fun. I'll see you all back. Thanks for entering the draw. We'll see you back for the close. And I've got to run. In the meantime, have a wonderful afternoon. Be nice to each other. Be good. Be safe. Have a cup of tea. Give someone a cuddle. Tell someone you love them. And you'll be all right. All right? In the meantime, take care of yourselves and each other.